can I help you? I would like to talk to you about Jesus Christ our Lord as... No. Not today. Lady, mind me lick you down. We don't need to get so violent. We really just do. Wasn't you at the wedding of our mutual friend?
Never get away.
Hold on there. That was all the way in Brooklyn. Where you are do out here on Long Island. There's no river too long and no mountain too high to do the Lord's work. Well, obviously you waste your time. So, we're at the bachelorette party and I know you was getting a little familiar with one of the dancers. Aren't you married to Mr. Robert? Well, you don't want your neighbors to know that Patsy was having a rendezvous with one of the strippers, them, particularly the one with the nice short haircut with the nice... Shut up, hold on there, hold on. The chest and hold on. And the muscle, make we talk. That one there you did a rendezvous with. What you want from me now? Well, I want to invite you to next Sunday church service. It would be a shame the nice, loving husband, Robert, will have to find out about this mishap just because you don't want to come to praise the Lord. You see you, lady. See you then. The stripper coming now. You've become friends. I don't want to take up your time. Go on, my cousin. You chat too much. Patsy, calm down. You don't have to deal with me so strong. And your friggin' business. I'm guessing it's your cousin is going to help you with your groceries. Carry on. I leave you to your rendezvous. Hey, see you at church.
Come on, people of God.